Welcome to 30-Day Reviews. I'm Justin, and as usual, I've been using today's products for 30 days. Now, today's products, we are taking a look at beard care products, more specifically, Shampoo and Conditioner by Golden Beard. Now, Golden Beard sent me these to review for you guys when they sent me the Beard Starter Kit in the scent of Big Sur. However, you can buy this in its own separate package, so you don't have to buy the whole kit just to get these. Now, because it comes in the kit, you're going to want to open that box up, and you're going to find two of the same size boxes. You can just pull them right out of there, and then you're going to have your shampoo in the yellow box and your conditioner in the blue. Once you open up those boxes, you're going to find a 3.4-ounce fluid container. They are both plastic and both in the same container and size. The lids on these are simple, just pop-up lids, so they are both very easy to open, even with wet hands. Now, because I am reviewing both products in this review, I'm going to go ahead and go through one of them completely, then I'm going to go through the other one completely as well, and then I'll let you know at the end, like I do on all my videos, if I think that this product is worth your money. Today we're going to start out with the shampoo, and like I told you earlier, it comes in a 3.4-ounce fluid container, so it isn't the biggest size of shampoo out there, but because you're only supposed to use beard shampoo a couple times a week max, I'm only about halfway used on this, maybe even a little bit less in the month that I've been using it for. The scent of this is Big Sur, which is their patchouli and lime scent. And I have to say that it is much stronger than the other Big Sur products are. And I think that it might actually end up being a little bit too strong if you have a really big beard and need to apply a lot of it. Now, for the ingredients in this, I'm just going to go ahead and put them up right here so you guys can go ahead and read them really quickly right now, or go ahead and pause the video if you really want to look at them. To use this shampoo, it's fairly simple, and it's just like any other shampoo for your head or beard, from what I have seen anyway. And it's fairly easy instructions. It says apply liberally to your beard and leave for 30 seconds. Rinse clean with warm water. So as you can see, it's fairly simple to use, just like any other shampoo. Now, I have to tell you guys, I wasn't too horribly impressed with this. It's a shampoo, it does what it's supposed to do. However, then I decided to go ahead and use it on my mustache one day when I had quite a bit of wax in it. And I have to tell you that this shampoo worked absolutely great for breaking down that beeswax and the oils in the mustache wax. I had no problem at all stripping all of that product out of my mustache. And because of that, I have to say that it is probably a fairly good shampoo, because even though that I don't notice it really doing much otherwise, if it's doing that to a stronghold mustache wax, it's got to be doing it to everything else as well. Now, I did read a couple of comments saying that it seemed like it stripped too much of the oils out of the beard, but I always use a beard oil, usually anyway, after a shower, so therefore that's not really an issue for me because I am immediately replacing it. However, you are only supposed to use this about twice a week or as needed, so therefore you shouldn't be stripping out the natural oils all that often anyway. Now, for the conditioner that Golden Beard sent me, it is once again that 3.4-ounce container, so it's not the largest container. However, I found that you really didn't need a lot to do a decently sized area, and I even use this on my mustache as well every time that I used it on my beard, about 2 to 3 times a week. The scent of the conditioner is definitely, to my nose anyway, not the same as the Big Sur, and I can't really pinpoint what it is. I think it might just be a very, very strong lavender. It's not horrible, it's just not something that my nose prefers. The instructions for the conditioner are the same as the shampoo, with it saying apply liberally to your beard, leave for 30 seconds, rinse clean with warm water. Now, I did notice that on their website it does say to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes instead of the 30 seconds, which I definitely did a couple of times, and I noticed a drastic improvement between the 30 seconds and 2 to 3 minute sit. So I would suggest to definitely go with the 2 to 3 minute sit. Go ahead, put this on your beard immediately when you get in the shower. Do all your other stuff, head shaving and or shampoo and body wash, and then rinse this out, because the longer it's on your beard, the more it will be able to work. Now, as a whole, for both of these products, I have to say that they are both fairly decent. And in fact, I didn't even put any beard oil or balm in my goatee today after I showered, and it's looking pretty darn nice to me. So you don't have to put some in after you use these. However, I would suggest, just so that your beard doesn't dry out, that you do definitely keep adding that beard oil in once you get done with your showers. Like I said, these are both fairly decent products, but the real question is it worth your money? Well, right now, at the time of this recording anyway, it's just $15 for both of these, and I think they'll last you a fairly decent amount of time, because you're not supposed to be using either of them every single day. Now, that being said, for somebody that's got a partial beard like me, these should last you a good couple of months at the very least. So I think that for the 15 bucks, it's worth it, because you're not going to end up spending quite as much. Now, if you have a great big beard, you might want to find something that has a little bit better value for the amount that you are getting. Like I said, these are both just 3.4 ounce containers, and if you have a giant beard, it may not last you quite that long. To pick yourself up some of this product, make sure to check the video description below. I'll have the links for this, as well as the links for the beard starter kit, which, if I remember correctly, goes for right about $50 to $60 and is actually a pretty good deal. If you want to know more about the other products in this beard starter kit, make sure to check out my playlist of golden beards right up here. Down below is a video or playlist that you'll probably enjoy as well. And of course, as always, until next time, you have a good one.